Hi, I have issue with Tascam LM-8ST mixer. There is a cracking, popping noise when I turn the volume up or down, and it happens on the left channel regardless of the used cable or speaker. So I prepared a very simple and clear setup to show the issue. So there is one Presonus speaker and Tascam mixer. It's connected directly to the power. As you can see, there is only one XLR cable on the left channel in Tascam mixer, and it's connected with the Presonus monitor. Nothing more, just one cable. And as you can see, I will just turn the volume up and down rapidly so you can hear the noise. Cable is on the ST1 output, left channel. Okay, now I will plug the cable to the right channel so you can see that there will be no cracking noise then. I will turn the monitor off first and the mixer. Then change the cable from left to right output. Turn the mixer on and turn the monitor on. Alright, let's test it out. I cannot hear any noise, any cracking on the right channel. Now I will test it out with another monitor, with Adam Audio A7X. So let's turn the Presonus monitor off. Turn off the Tascam mixer, and now I will switch the power cord from Presonus to Adam Audio. I will do it the same with the cable, audio cable. And I will switch the XLR cable in Tascam mixer to the left channel. So we have XLR cable put into left channel on ST1 in Tascam mixer, and there is XLR cable connected to the audio monitor. Turning on the Tascam mixer, turning on Adam Audio speaker, and let's check this. There is clearly cracking noise, popping noise in the speaker. Actually, one small movement and you can hear that. Regardless of the channel that I'm turning the volume up and down, you can hear the cracking noise. So you can see now that it happens on both speakers and on the left channel so far. Let's test it with the right channel yet. On Adam Audio monitor. And later I will switch the cable to another one to show you that's not the cable issue. No cracking noise on the right channel. So I'm showing you the ST1 master output. I will show you the ST2 as well. I put the audio cable to ST2 left channel. So on ST2 it's the same. I cannot hear it when I'm using the single channel knobs, but on the master there is clearly cracking noise. But not as much as on the ST1. Oh, actually it is. Alright, so I will switch the cable to a completely different one, just to show you that's not the cable issue. Here I'm using Cordial. And now I will test it out with a completely different one. Putting this one away. Using Accu cable. putting the cable to ST1 left channel and to Adam Audio monitor. Let's turn the mixer on, turn the speaker on, and let's check it. You can hear the cracking noise. Now I will move the cable to ST2 output. ST2 left channel. Here's ST2. You can hear the cracking, popping noise as well. You can already hear it on the single channel, but on the master for sure. And I will also put that XLR cable to Presonus monitor, just to show you that it happens there as well. First turning the monitor on and changing the power cord. So Presonus monitor with Accu cable, ST2 left channel. Here we are. I tested this issue on another Cordial cable as well, and yeah, it was still the issue, so that's for sure not the cable's issue, not the speaker's issue. Definitely something is off in the Tascam mixer. What's more, I also tested it out on the headphones, and when I was using the headphones volume knob, it was not, like the cracking noise was not appearing, but when I was using the master knobs, like ST1 and ST2, it was still the issue. So yeah, something is off with the knobs or with the something else, maybe amplifier.